Good morning to all of you, 7th standard student. Now in this chapter, what 8th chapter, Delhi during the Sultanate era or medieval age. What is the chapter name? Medieval period. Delhi during the medieval period. We read about Qutub Minar, Qutubuddin Aibak had constructed. Then we read about Razia Sultana, Khilji, Alauddin Khilji. Then we read Muhammad Tughlaq about. Then Vijayanagar about. We read Harihara and Bukka, two rulers were ruling at that time. Then today I am going to read this one, the Bahmani Sultanate. The Amirs in the Deccan rebelled. Hassan, one of the efficient Amirs, became the Sultan and founded the Bahmani Sultanate there. So nothing is there. Means Amir means that time previous where Muhammad Tughlaq or they were ruling after Muhammad Tughlaq. What happened? The Amir means at that time they were to belonging to what we will say Muslim community, Turk community. So they were ruling and among them their minister he rebelled means withdraw करना शुरू किया. Hassan, then Hassan, that person name was Hassan. Hassan, one of the efficient armies. Efficient means very powerful minister of the king. Became the Sultan and founded the Bahmani Sultanate there. He became the Sultan और उसने बहमनी सल्तनत स्टैब्लिश किया. मोहम्मद गवन was a capable minister and an efficient administrator of the Bahmani Sultanate. Underline who was the efficient minister of the Bahmani Sultanate? Muhammad Ghawan. He won many territories and extended the boundaries of the Bahmani kingdom. Means he won many territories. Means he attacked and so many areas he got success to win. And extended means increase करना. Extended the boundaries of the Bahmani kingdom. The power of Bahmani Sultanate weakened after his death. There were frequent conflict between the Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdoms. Vijayanagar was ruling in southern side of India and Bahmani. So many times these two dynasties kingdom having a conflict. Conflict means war, jhagda. After the downfall of Bahmani Sultanate, many of his provinces became independent. After this Muhammad Ghawan died, those many whatever the areas he won included in his kingdom, they set themselves free. उन लोग ने जो जो राजा को उसने अपने राज्य को अपने राज्य में किंगडम में फंसा लिया था माने कैप्चर कर लिया था, वो सारे राज्य को राज्य के राजा ने मोहम्मद गवन के बाद अपने को फ्री कर लिया. अमंग दिस द 5 प्रोविंसेस ऑफ बीजापुर, अहमदनगर, गोलकोंडा, बीरार एंड बिदर बिकेम स्टैब्लिश इंडिपेंडेंट किंगडम. मीन्स ये सारे प्लेस किंगडम के राजाओं ने अपने को फ्री कर लिया. Now what is the next? End of Delhi Sultanate. How this Delhi Sultanate means Mughal Arabian people's rule end in Delhi. Firoz Shah Tughlaq ascended the throne after Muhammad Tughlaq. However, from that time onwards means उस समय के बाद continuously the Delhi Sultanate began to weaken. दिल्ली के में जो भी राज्य कर रहा था और दिल्ली सल्तनत उसका राजा के डेथ के बाद वीकेंड मीन्स कमज़ोर होता चला गया. द रेन ऑफ द तुगलक डायनेस्टी ऑल्सो विटनेस द इन्वेजन एंड प्लंडर ऑफ दिल्ली बाय तिमूर. तो रीजन द रेन ऑफ द तुगलक डायनेस्टी, जो तुगलक डायनेस्टी के जो किंगडम थे, ऑल्सो विटनेस द कि दैट टाइम दिल्ली पे तैमूर नेम community people invasion means attack, so many times attack on Delhi. The governor of Lahore Kijra Khan took advantage of the chaos and established the Sayyid dynasty. फिर दिल्ली पे सैयद डायनेस्टी establish. Who established? Kijra Khan. The authority of these sultans was limited to the region around Delhi. In 1451 CE, the Afghan leader Sardar Behlol established the rule of the Lodi dynasty in Delhi. Underline कि after that in Delhi, who captured Delhi afterward? The Behlol leader established, and he was belonging to Lodi dynasty. His son Sikandar Lodi ascended the throne after his. उसके बाद सिकंदर लोदी, उसका बेटा सिकंदर लोदी राजा बना. दो सिकंदर लोदी हैड द क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ ए गुड रूलर, ही लैक्ड रिलीजियस टॉलरेंस. वो गुड लीडर तो था पर वो धार्मिक वे में अच्छा नहीं था, माने उसमें सब धर्मों को लेके चलने की पावर नहीं थी. A struggle for the throne began after his death, in which Ibrahim Lodi defeated his elder brother and became the ruler of Delhi. And in this way, a struggle for the throne began. Throne means राजा का सिंहासन. उस पे राजा बनने के लिए a lot of people started to fight. And in that fighting, Ibrahim Lodi defeated his elder brother and became the ruler of Delhi. The Amirs were not happy because of his arrogant attitude. Arrogant means whatever he wanted, Ibrahim Lodi wanted, he was not listening, and very harsh behavior type of people is called arrogant attitude. So the Ibrahim Lodi's ministers were not happy with them. There was rebellion in the kingdom against his rule. उसके रूल के अगेंस्ट लोगों ने विद्रोह शुरू किया. बाबर द एम्परर ऑफ काबुल इन्वेडेड दिल्ली एट दिस टाइम. उसी समय पे बाबर ने इंडिया पे अटैक किया ऑन दिल्ली. ही डिफीटेड इब्राहिम लोदी इन द बैटल ऑफ पानीपत. और उसने इब्राहिम लोदी के साथ उसका फाइटिंग हुआ क्योंकि इब्राहिम लोदी वॉज सिटिंग ऑन दिल्ली एंड बाबर अटैक ऑन दिल्ली टू कैप्चर. तो इब्राहिम लोदी एंड बाबर बिटवीन इन द बैटल ऑफ पानीपत ऑकर्ड इन द ईयर 1526 CE and founded the Mughal Empire, which lasted for approximately 200 years. और इस तरह अकबर कह रहे हैं बाबर won at last and he captured Delhi, and 200 years almost his dynasty were ruling over our country. So this last stanza for your fill-ups, you just go through it, otherwise it is very congested mode given कि so many leader became the king of Delhi after this Bahmani Sultanate. Now see this fill up first. Dash complete the construction of Qutub Minar. Iltutmish. First stanza you will get this spelling. Iltutmish of this lesson. First stanza means first page. Here you see Iltutmish written. That word you have to write. Then next, the Vijayanagar kingdom was situated on the banks of river Tungbhadra. Tungbhadra also written here. See here 1336 written in front of this Tungbhadra river written. Then see third, the dash was a capable minister of the Bahmani state. Who was the capable minister of Bahmani state? Bahmani state, where it is Bahmani Sultanate, Muhammad Gawan. See this last page, second line. Mahmud Gawan was the Then fourth one, Amir Khusro was a famous poet in the court of Alauddin Khilji. Fifth, Dash was enthroned after Razia Sultan Nasruddin, Razia's brother. What is his name? What was his name? His name was, wait, here see, third line, Nasiruddin. Now question C, who established the slave dynasty? In this you can write Iltutmish, not this one. Previous chapter according it will go to Kutubuddin Aibak, not Iltutmish. Iltutmish will come according to this chapter. Then second, Razia, a powerful female ruler. Write your views on this topic. So Razia Sultan also first page it is given about her. You can write 4-5 point as a short note also. He who was Razia first, so you write here see after 1236 see. You can write, wait, Razia was the daughter of Iltutmish, like that you can write Razia was the daughter of Iltutmish. Second point, Razia was the first female ruler to rule over Delhi. Third, Razia was an efficient ruler. Fourth, she used to dress as a male when she was in the court. Fifth, Razia was a more capable and efficient ruler than her brother. Like that you can write. Third question, describe the reforms of Alauddin Khilji. Reforms, so here not given too much in this stanza in your book. See, Khilji dynasty. So Alauddin Khilji, they are wanted to know short note. You just write here. Here see between fourth line see after 1296 CE you just write like this, Alauddin Khilji, who was uh, both nephew and son-in-law of Jalaluddin. Yeah, directly you can write Alauddin Khilji was the nephew and son-in-law of Jalaluddin. He was very ambitious. He controlled the interference and point wise will write. He controlled the interference of ulemas and umraus in the state administration. Fourth, Alauddin Khilji framed strict laws to control prices. So 4 point anyhow you can find out. You can write here. 40 lines are there. Rest if you wanted to write fifth line, the famous poet Amir Khusro, whose work are well known, adorn his court. Like this you just write. So question answer, hardly 3 questions are there, 5 fill-ups are there, then it is okay. We will not do extra question answer. Just you read the chapter for your extra fill in the blanks. Don't depend on this exercise fill in the blanks. Okay, so here this chapter is finished. Up to 8 chapter it will come. 8 chapter will come in first semester. 9 chapter remain. I will send next video. But that chapter will not come now. It will included in second term. Okay. Bye for the day today. Bye.